This is one day in the whole year when the universe says yes. Universe says yes to any project that you begin, to any thought that you have, any intention you have, any vows you take, any sankalpam you take, any initiative that you have or begin on this day will flourish. This is Akshay Tritiya. Akshaya means that which will not diminish, that which cannot be destroyed. So anything you begin on Akshay Tritiya will grow, will flourish, will be successful. And Tritiya is the third lunar day of the waxing phase of the Vaisakha month. So this is one day on which you don't need to look at Muhurta. You don't need to look for auspicious time within this day. Anything that you perform or start or begin, any project you begin on this day will flourish, will not decay. So why is this day so powerful? Why is this such an auspicious day? This is the only day in the whole year when sun and moon both are exalted. That means both are very, very strong. Sun is the king of the day, moon is the queen of the night. Sun is the soul, moon is the mind. So the soul and the mind, the day and night, so everything is giving us power and energy on this day. Now historically, this is the day when Ma Ganga, she descended on earth from the heavens. This is the day of incarnation of Lord Parashuram, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. This is the day when Lord Ganesha, he started writing Mahabharata with Ved Vyas. And this is the day when Sudama, the great friend of Lord Shri Krishna, he came to see him in his palace and he brought little treat for him, a cooked form of rice, aval, that his wife cooked for Lord Shri Krishna. He gave it to him, a very tiny, small kind of offering. Lord Shri Krishna accepted it and ate a few grains. As a result, the gift that Sudama received, when he went back to his house, his tiny little hut transformed into a palace. This is a very, very powerful, auspicious day. Now this will be April 29th in the US. I have the exact timing in the description below. And that'll be partially on 29th and 30th in India and also in Europe. I'll have the exact timing. So I'm giving this, making this video 3-4 weeks in advance so that you have time to prepare, set up, line up the projects or initiatives you want success in. Now also, of course, you can consult an astrologer. So within this day, within this window of Tritiya, which is the third lunar day, there is also this concept of Sthira Lagna. Sthira Lagna means the earth signs or the fixed signs should be rising at that moment. So and that is Taurus usually. So if Taurus is rising within this window, within this Akshay Tritiya, that is even a better Muhurta. So look for Sthira Lagna, the fixed rising sign in your location on Akshay Tritiya, that it becomes even more powerful. Now there's a misconception that people just say, oh, Akshay Tritiya, buy some gold, buy gold or jewelry. That's not it. This is the day you want to grow both spiritually and materially. So you can initiate things and projects that are purely for material gains, but also for spiritual progress. So what things you can do on this day? Sky is the limit, any positive thing. So let's begin. So first of all, you can start your studies, initiate spiritual studies or anything that'll grow, help with your, increase your knowledge and wisdom, and so that you can share that wisdom with the world. You can initiate the mantra chanting. You can light a diya and take a sankalpam. That you'll begin something on this day, especially the mantra initiation is really, really powerful. You can start a new business on this day. You can sign a new contract, join a new job, start a new initiative. You can start writing a new book or anything to do with publishing, sending a very important email, making a very important connection, having a very, very important meeting. So anything you want to grow in your life, this is the day for you to begin. At least, or if you don't have the project lined up yet, you can at least initiate, maybe start the research or start this networking or start, talking to people, or in your mind at least have this intention, I'm beginning this on this day. And if you want to learn astrology, we have a perfect course for you, Find Your Purpose Through Astrology. You can check out in the description section, also on my website. you can join the course. And also I have a free guide, step-by-step guide, how you can find your purpose. You can also download that on my website, and also the link will be in the description section. So maybe you all have a very, very auspicious Akshay Tritiya.